What's up, East Squad? It's your girl back once again with another video. So today I am going to be getting on my daddy's boat. Obviously not in the sea, but I am going to be getting on his boat and, you know, just got my hair done, my edges slayed. But yeah, so let's get up in his. What type of bug is that, yo? So I'm gonna be hopping the board, as you see. Now let me just put you guys this way, cause I'm coming up. I'm too short. I'm too short. Ow. Ow. You guys are in the seat. Yeah, I was just in the seat. Ow. I'm almost there. Ah, my shirt's getting attached to this thingy. I'm not gonna step on you guys. I'm not. Ow. There you guys go. I did it, guys. Unbelievable that I did it. So let's do a little tour of this little boat thingy. So this is actually how. Can I get back here? Oh yeah, I can. This is actually where all this gas goes for a can ride. And then this is actually a seat. And you know, just back this where you put the snacks and stuff. And a lot of these, of course. And another seat. Let's sit in it, guys. I think this is like one of the most important seats. One of them. And oh, I want to hit my head. Oh yeah, that's like a romantic spot. I never knew they have a romantic spot on here. Like big old gas bottle. Let's move it. Is it gonna turn? There. Yeah, there. I'm driving, guys. Let me set you guys up because I'm driving. Oh, you can't see nothing. Great. Let me set you guys up. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You can't see that. Right there. I'm driving. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. So we're going this way. Let's go this way. Let's go right. Let's go left. Let's go straight. So guys, the romantic spot is up there. So let's go up there. But look, they got a fish finder. Like awesome, a fish finder. Like huh? Whoa, it actually caught on. Oh no, what did I do? No fishes around. What did I do, guys? Caught on the fish finder. We're not in the ocean, and yeah, great. Oh yeah, look. But yeah, that's excellent. Woo. Let's open to the door to the romantic. Yeah, I'm fish, I'm salty. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. That was the fish going to be saying, look me up, I'm fishing salty. Ouch. Let's try to sit. Yep, I just thought about this. So one romantic place. Only one person, you know. I'm not romantic, so. You hear the trains, guys? It's supposed to be in the ocean. Oh, let's look down there. Yeah, it's fancy. Yeah, gross. Ew. Gross, fat, never. Not happening. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. So, you know, this, I think this is like the highest part of the boat. Oh, snap, guys. Look at this. Oh, snap. I'm stuck, I think. Yes, I can. I can get out. I can. I'm sure I can. I can. I'm smart. Come on. Who's not as smart as me? It ain't sorry in there. But don't worry. It's going to get clean. Oh, yeah. The fish finder cut on. So, accept. I want to find fish. Accept. I'm not on the ocean, but accept. Come on, accept me, fish finder. Yeah, accept me. Okay, power off. Close, just power off. Power off. Off, 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 off. There, it's the brightness. Oh no, I don't want to run it dead though, guys, so I'm gonna have to cut the power off. I feel like the batteries can go crazy, and I'm good trouble for messing with stuff. Enter there. Cut the power off. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. No, the fishes are going to be saying us. Look me up, I'm fishing salty. Wait, no, all the ladies come in. Lick me up, I'm fishing salty. Like, girl, you fish. Ugh, I won't lick you up if you're salty. You just came out the ocean and you salty. Yeah, not happening. Let's cut back on. Oops, I did not mention you. Let's cut that back on, actually. And I changed my mind, and it's not going off, guys. Let's take down my hair right here. I think I should. I don't want to be wavy, though. You think I should? I should. But my hair is hurting, but who cares? Who cares? So, congratulations. Now let's get off this boat. Oh, yeah, move his gas back, where it was. I mean, his job. He got a big old boat attached to his car. Let me go show you it attached to the car without y'all seeing the tag. Easy. Woo! Ew. 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 God, look at this. Just catch the fishes. Fish been on that air. My hand's gonna smell so disgusting right after this. Yeah, I gotta definitely go into the bathroom and wash my hands, guys. No, not that one. Yeah. Slime. I'm gonna seize that slime, guys. Oh my god, that looks slime. If I go play, you know what, guys? I'm not gonna touch it. Dang. But I want to do it for you guys, so I'm gonna go touch it for you guys only. Alright, that was a spit on purpose because I just feel disgusted because what I just said. I'm sorry. My stomach hurts. Oh snap! I'm gonna fall. No, I'm not. Oh god! I got it. Ouch! My shirt. Let my shirt go. Sorry guys, you way up there and my shirt actually blew off on. Is this slime? So let me see y'all. This is weird. Right after I get off a boat. I'm mad after touching that. But yeah, let's do one more dump and then I'm going in to wash my hands. Yep, gross. Yeah. Great. So let's show y'all the thing attached. And then it goes up to the romantic spot. A long romantic spot. Cause I just went through a whole show with this boat. This big old boat. Alone. Yeah, that's great. My next tour will be probably me asking to go with my dad, you know, to go with him with the boat. My dad is the boss, so